The FDA has issued a Class 1 alert on multiple vegetables. A Class 1 alert is the highest, the absolute highest risk alert. And this classification means there is a reasonable probability that the use of or exposure to a compromised product will cause severe adverse health consequences or death. I'm Pam, and this is Pam's Pop-Ups. I have my notes here. Let's get busy going over this information. The products on the list were recalled due to the possibility of Listeria. Now, please stay with me for a minute while I go over the entire list and what symptoms to look for. Please hit subscribe. I want you all to be aware as soon as possible when I have this information on these recalls. And please know, I cannot stress this enough. This is not fear mongering, but I believe that knowledge is power, and knowing the information on what's been recalled is knowledge. So that's why I try to get this information to you all as soon as I know about it. Okay. Right down to the product list. The products affected in this recall include red cabbage, shredded. Case codes are 2514111 and 2514111B. Grab a pen, grab some paper, make sure you get the information if you are purchasing, consuming, or even exposed to any of these products. So again, red cabbage, that's shredded. Codes are 2514111 and 2514111B. Red onions, diced. Codes are 2514111, 2514111B, 2514211, 2514211B. That's B like boy. And 2514311. Those codes are for red onions that are diced. Cucumber slices. The codes are 2514111 and 2514311. That's for cucumber slices. Again, those codes are 2514111 and 2514311. Red bell peppers that are chopped. Okay? Chopped red bell peppers. Codes 2514111 and 2514111B and 2514311. That is for red bell peppers that are chopped. Carrots, shredded carrots. The codes are 2514111 and 2514311. Again, carrots that are shredded. The codes are 2514111 and 2514311. All right. Tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes. These are the grape varieties. All right. The grape variety tomatoes. The codes are 2514111, 2514111B, that's B like boy, and 2514211. Again, the grape varieties of tomatoes. I'm going to say those codes again. Grape tomatoes. 251 4111, 251 4111B, and 251 4211. All right. Potatoes, cooked breakfast. These are cooked breakfast potatoes. Cooked breakfast potatoes. The codes 251 4111, 251 4111B, B like boy, and 251 4311. That is for cooked breakfast potatoes. All right. Next, we have roasted Brussels sprouts. All right. Roasted Brussels sprouts. The codes are 251 4111, 251 4111B, B like boy, and 251 4311. These are for roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, I do want to say, a lot of people will ask me in the comments, could I please put this information in the description? I am not putting the information in the description because I don't want to accidentally get confused when typing and put the wrong code with the wrong item. All right. Now, I typically don't even go over the codes, but these are vegetables, and it was a short list of codes because sometimes different products can have 10 and 15 codes each. All right. So I did go over the codes in this particular one, and that is the reason why. Now, getting to Listeria. These vegetables have been recalled again, class 1, the highest, due to Listeria, which can lead to multiple symptoms, which may include, but are not by any means limited to, fever, muscle aches, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. All right. So please contact the FDA or go on the FDA's website if you need more information. My biggest thing is to make you aware that these items have been recalled. So you go check your pantry, you go check your refrigerator and see if you even have chopped red bell pepper, red onions that have diced. Did you buy some shredded carrots? Were you getting ready to make a carrot cake or something? You bought shredded carrots. Go look at your packaging. If you have questions from that point, go to the FDA's website, contact the FDA, and find out. However, what you need to do, if you have any of these products, and this is the typical protocol for most recalls, please do not, under any circumstances, consume them. All right? Return them to the place of purchase or discard them. Now, if you consumed a product last night that I just read on this list and you have it, that's why I read off the symptoms, so that you can be aware. All of a sudden you get a strange fever or you just have diarrhea. You say, oh, I must have eaten something that wasn't quite right. No, you better check one of those products and make sure it's not Listeria, okay? Because if it is, please seek health care from a health professional immediately, all right? Hit subscribe. Please share this video out so that we can make as many people as possible aware. And I would appreciate it if you can give it a like, because that extends its reach. The more comments I have, the more likes I have, it will extend the reach through YouTube. And I just want as many people as possible to be aware. I'm Pam, and this is Pam's Pop-Ups.